One thing that we like about using a digital textbook is that, as we all know, students aren't reading. But what we have the ability to do now in a digital format is actually track whether they are doing the reading or not. And so in a digital format, we have the ability through the reporting that's available to actually see, are they reading it? How are they reading it? What areas did they go to? Did they do it late? Did they do it early? So we have all these tracking measures that are there, which is important for a couple reasons, we think. Obviously, if we're assigning materials to students and trying to give that to them, we want to stress the importance that they actually complete that. And students now, many of them feel that they don't need to, use the textbook that we give them. They're struggling to find the value in it. But with this, one, we're giving them points for it. And with today's students, if you give them points for it, they'll do the activity. Don't give them points, they tend to find low value in that. And so with this, we say, look, here it is, and we can guarantee, not guarantee, but we can at least have a much higher rate that they're actually using those materials, which is good for us. I mean, we're giving them to them for a reason. We want to make sure that they're utilizing them. Another benefit is for us in Idaho is at the instructional level. With online classes, we're having to start to prove what students are doing in an online format. They're tracking to see, are students in an online class spending the same amount of hours that they would in a face-to-face format. Well, with traditional print book, you can't do that. We can't monitor that and say, well, they're indeed spending 2 hours. We can say that in the syllabus that that's what we recommend. We have no way to measure that. With our state, that's not good enough. And so now we're actually having to prove that. And so one way we can prove that is through using a digital textbook, because we can pull those reports and show them that on average it's taken them this amount of time, and we can prove that, and now we have that to pull forward to the state.